Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm Lisa Beard and I'm so excited to talk to you today about an amazing new program from the lovely people at Close to My Heart. Close to My Heart have never done a program like this before. I've been a customer, before I was a consultant, I was a customer since they've been here in Australia. And I've never seen such an incredible, exciting offering. So I better just get straight into it and tell you all about it. Close to My Heart have changed their rewards program out of sight. They will be offering a VIP customer program that rewards individual purchases. Single purchases made by you will qualify for instant rewards under this new program. Exciting. Are you interested? Well, stick with me right through to the end because there is so much more, and I'm not kidding. So you no longer have to tidy up your house, drag some friends over, make some snacks, and get X amount of sales at your party or workshop to unlock the amazing Close to My Heart rewards. Although that would be a lot of fun. It is always fun to have a workshop. So if you have got a group of crafty friends and we ever get out of lockdown here in Melbourne, I'd really encourage you to do so. That we'd have so much fun. So that's something to think about later on. We might be all glad of getting out of the house by then. When you join the VIP customer program, you instantly receive $25 of Close to My Heart cash credit to spend on product, any product in either the core product catalogue or the seasonal mini catalogue. Now, stick with me to the end because yes, the program will be $25 of credit, but I've got a bonus on top of that to talk about, and I will get to it. So stick with me. Okay. So not only do you have $25 of product in your hot little hands, you will receive 15% of the value of your retail purchase as credit. So, for example, if you are putting in a $100 order, you will get $15 of credit. Now, usually you'd have to use that credit straight away on that order, and you totally can if you wish. But, and this is a big but, you can actually bank those credits. You can store them up for a big ticket item that you might be interested in, something that maybe you can't afford right now, but maybe would like to. So you can save up for a future purchase. It's really, this is a game changer. You can bank your credits for as long as you like. You can let them accumulate as long as you are still a member of the VIP program. So yet another perk is you can receive the stamp of the month with the qualifying order for free. Not the $9 that you usually would pay if you've got a qualifying order, but free. And we all love free stuff, right? Who doesn't? I know I do. So on top of your 15% credit that you can build up, you get the stamp of the month for free, but you also get access to additional exclusive offers that will come up throughout the year. Now there'll be more information on what those offers are as they become available. Okay, so the program commences on the 1st of October 2020. It's kind of nice to get some good news in 2020, I have to say, right? I mentioned a bonus earlier, the $25 credit. Well, the lovely people at Close to My Heart are running a 3-month program through October till the end of December, where if you join the VIP customer program during those months, you won't receive $25 of credit. You will receive $40 of credit, which is yours to spend on any product in the catalogue. Does not include, you would have the shipping and handling costs, but yeah, you've got $40. How exciting! And if you're making a purchase, you'll also have $15 of that purchase to spend as well. It's such a great program. I'm so excited for you all. Okay, so on top of all of that, you will also have access to an exclusive Facebook group where come February 2021, Close to My Heart will be bringing a exclusive live workshop. And you don't want to miss that because their events are great. Okay, so Lisa, this is an amazing program, but how much? I think you're asking, and that's a fair question. Okay, so you can be a member of this VIP program for an annual fee of $55. But given that you're going to get $40 back in products straight away, that is an amazing $15 investment. You can cancel the program at any time. But why would you, really? But you can if you wish, okay? So this program allows you to unlock amazing rewards, bank credits, save up for something on your wish list, get the stamp of the month for free, and so on. It's such an amazing deal, and I would really encourage anyone who has even a mild papercraft habit to join. And for those of you who've got a more serious one like me, it makes total sense. I'm like thinking, wow, I was a customer for so long, I've become a consultant, and now this is an amazing deal for customers. But I'm not actually rethinking or regretting my decision to become a consultant for 1 minute. There's even more news on that. They have new incentives for us consultants as well. So if you are interested in taking your crafting habit to another level, like I have, there's more news coming on that, so watch this space. But I'm digressing. So back to where you can sign up. So there is a link below to my website, and on October the 1st you'll be able to use that link and go to my webpage and access the form. You fill out your details, and then you unlock that $40 straight away, so you can sign up, go shopping. And so close to my heart have been so generous with this offer. It really is a great offer. So I thought, well, close to my heart have done their bit, so I'm going to do my bit too. So what I am going to do is I'm putting together an amazing goodie bag of crafty goodness, and I will be doing a raffle. So anyone who joins via my website during the months of October, November and December will go into the draw to winning this super goodie bag. So October 1st, make sure you use the link below and go to my website. And also, if you are new to this channel, I'd really appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button and maybe leave us a comment about what some of your favourite products from the new catalogue are, because I'd love to hear from you. And that's about it from me today. I think we got through it all. Have a great weekend, guys. See ya.